So the students learned a whole bunch of things today, and I wanted to show you a couple of things that those include. So the first thing that they learned to do was to cut mitered corners. Then they learned how to cut a base to fit that bottom, and so they've been working on rabbeted inset bottoms. Then the next step that we've been working on is learning how to cut splines into those mitered corners. So that's what those look like. Ooh, those look like right there. And so these are some splines prior to being cut. This is what they'll look like once they're cut. So this is a in progress box. And the learned how to do today was to resaw lumber. So here's a piece of cherry, and what they're going to do tomorrow is they're going to start turning this into a box. And if you'll notice, if I get this out of the way and show you this, you'll turn this end to end like that, and then we're going to make our box out of this, and we'll cut pieces 1 and 2 out of there, and 3 and 4 out of there, and we're going to have a 4-way grain wrap around it. One last thing I wanted to show you that they did today was that we talked about the use of color. So this is just a very simple little poplar box, and we talked about surprises that you can find along the way. And so that is where we're starting to play with a pop of blue dye on the interior of the box. And it's a really nice surprise when somebody just opens it up.